Wagwan peeps, Jamaican Farmer back again. Ricardo Campbell. Finishing some touches before the weekend. Most of the farmers, they don't work on Saturday and Sunday, so I have to come push them today. We're finishing on up the fence, our little gate fence entrance. Yeah, man. It's gonna be taller on top, of course. We're finishing off the top. And then we're going to paint it and put some barbed wire on top too. This is the entrance as you come in. I made it big enough so the trucks could come in and pick up our products once they harvest. I have a setup where I'm never going to have to sell anything. I have distributors that's coming picking up everything. And so that's why I made the driveway a little big. You can actually circle around this way and then turn around and come back. And then down there I'm going to put another driveway to go all the way across down to the farm. And then we're going to push back those bushes in the back. So sweet potatoes are coming along. We need some rain though, man. So I have this guy out here. He's just spraying water on the Irish potato because they haven't catch yet. Our pumpkins haven't catch yet. And our cassava, it's catching a little bit, I could see. And the next couple of weeks though, I'm going straight more sweet potato. And then I'm going to just start with my sorrel. Sorrel is selling pretty high right now. And it bears about 3 times, so I'm just going to run it all the way through. Sorrel for the next 5 acres, and then I'm going to plow a little bit back down this way, and then do sorrel some more down here too. I'm just going to run out the year with the sweet potato, Irish potato, sorrel, carrots. I planted carrots today. I forgot to tell you, I planted carrots today. And pumpkin. And then by the end of the year, we're going to start doing our drip irrigation so we can start with our Scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, and our ginger, turmeric, and a couple more things. Watermelon, cantaloupe. Yeah, man. And by then, we'll start planting our trees too. We're going to plant some lime, cherry, plum trees. Yeah, man. So this is the farm, Ricardo Campbell. Let's see if we can get some lunch today, you know. It's soup day. Jamaican Farmer soup. Watch that video. Jamaican Farmer soup every Friday. The lady put her foot in the soup. Everything in it. Everything in it. Even her foot. Every Friday. She make it. You have to get it by 12 o'clock. She sell out by 12:40. Yeah, man. It's called Jamaican Farmer soup on YouTube. Check it. Later.